What if a million data points could become a dashboard without writing a single line of code? This is Dashtera, a no-code data analytics and dashboard platform designed to turn spreadsheets, databases, and even real-time data streams into interactive visualizations. And this is not just another tool for making a basic pie chart. Dashtera is focused on high-performance visualization for large data sets and real-time monitoring. The big promise is simple. Connect your data, build the dashboard visually, and explore the information without needing to write code. But is it actually useful? Let's take a closer look. Let's start with getting data into Dashtera. You can import common file formats including CSV, JSON, XML, and Excel. So if your business already works with spreadsheets or exported reports, you don't necessarily need a complicated database setup just to start creating dashboards. But Dashtera goes much further. It can also connect directly to SQL and NoSQL databases like PostgreSQL, MySQL, SQL Server, and MongoDB. This matters. Exporting a new spreadsheet every morning gets old very quickly. A direct data connection creates a much more useful analytics workflow. Real-time visualization is a standout feature. Think about a factory monitoring sensors or a financial trader watching changing market prices. In those situations, yesterday's dashboard may already be too old. Dashtera is built to visualize changing data with minimal delay as information arrives. Under the hood, Dashtera uses GPU-accelerated rendering and WebGL technology. Your graphics processor is extremely good at drawing large numbers of visual elements quickly. A dashboard that looks good with 20 rows can become painfully slow with real data. Dashtera is specifically trying to solve that performance problem. Despite the technology, the building experience is no code. You get a drag and drop interface to arrange visualizations without developing from scratch. Before we continue, if you like discovering useful analytics and business software, follow the page. And if you want a complete tutorial, comment Dashtera tutorial below. One of Dashtera's biggest selling points is variety. The platform currently offers more than 90 chart types for every specialized data need. A sales manager needs bars and KPIs. An engineer might need scatter plots. A trader wants candlesticks. Different datasets demand different ways of looking at them. For standard business intelligence, KPI panels make important numbers easy to scan. Charts give you the trends behind those headline numbers. Instead of handing someone a spreadsheet with 50,000 rows, you can give them a dashboard that shows what actually matters. Dashtera also supports drill-down style analysis. This lets you start from a broad view and move deeper into the underlying information. A good dashboard should not simply tell you that something changed. It should help you investigate why it changed. Geographic visualization is another strong area. Dashtera supports high-performance maps powered by WebGL for spatial data patterns. Whether it's logistics, property info, or sensor locations, you can actually see patterns on the map instead of reading latitude values in a sheet. Then we have finance and trading. Dashtera includes technical analysis, visualizations such as candlestick charts, overlays, and indicators. Because the platform is designed for streaming, it's ideal for monitoring live market data with zero perceived latency. Imagine a manufacturing environment with sensors measuring temperature, pressure, and speed. Dashtera turns that numerical stream into actionable visuals. That information is only useful if people can interpret it quickly. It gives engineering teams a way to monitor systems visually. Scientific users can also work with 3D charts for surface and point cloud datasets. This isn't purely a marketing dashboard builder. The platform is targeting both normal business intelligence and technically demanding visualization workflows. Filtering and grouped analysis let you compare different parts of your dataset, like experiment runs or sales territories. The point isn't just making data look attractive, it's making comparisons and anomalies easier to detect. Dashtera includes basic data pre-processing. You can add, subtract, count, and sum columns before displaying the results. This basic transformation inside the tool can save time, especially for straightforward reporting needs. Once ready, you can share dashboards through secure links or export reports as PDF and PNG files to serve different audiences. A dashboard only creates value when the right people can actually see and understand the information. Dashtera is positioned as an alternative to platforms like Tableau and Power BI. But be careful with that comparison. Dashtera is much newer. The better question is whether it solves your specific dashboard problem with less complexity. That's where the value is. The no-code approach is attractive when technical resources are limited. It reduces the technical bottleneck for business analysts. So Dashtera's strongest points are visualization performance, chart variety, data source flexibility, and that no-code editor. But there are limitations. It's a young platform, and license tiers have different storage and data point limits. Check those carefully. Who is it for? Analysts, engineers, researchers, and financial users who need technically demanding visualizations fast. Who doesn't need it? If you only need a simple monthly bar chart, a spreadsheet is fine. Use the simplest tool that solves the problem. There is currently a lifetime access option available. Plans differ in storage and data volume. Check the description for the link. Dashtera makes demanding dashboards easier to build, but the quality of your dashboard still depends on the quality of your thinking. My recommendation: identify one real dashboard problem and test it in Dashtera. If it removes a bottleneck, the value is clear. Check the description for the latest plans. If this was useful, follow and subscribe. Comment Dashtera tutorial below for a step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching.